Stretching is an integral part of any exercise program. If stretching is not included as a part of the exercise program, this can easily create a muscular imbalance. With the help of stretching, you can easily avoid a common problem such as lower back pain. In this video, I would be teaching two combination stretches that would stretch all the main muscles and will help you save time. Generally, it is best to stretch all the main muscles before and after any workout. This can be your pre-workout stretch. Hold the stretch for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. And this can be your post-workout stretch. Holding the stretch on both sides for approximately 15 to 30 seconds is all that is required. Always remember to stretch to the point of tension and not pain.